Good morning. We are in the car, 7:40 a.m., ready to go look at some arches. It's a little chilly this morning. I don't know what temperature it is, but I'm glad I have my coat. I think it's supposed to be close to 70 today, which is good. So it's just about, 10-minute drive or so to the front of the park for arches. I think from like April or June to October, you have to have a park pass reservation for arches between 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. So just so you know, if you're going in the summertime up until the end of October, you have to have a reservation. It's like $2. And then we still have the $55 state park pass that's good for the month for that. So here we go. That thing's balancing up there. Let's take a look at this. So we're gonna do Park Avenue Trail first. See how long it is. Okay, this is already super cool. Look at like just how that rock is just balanced up there. What if somebody just went dink? Okay, the trail goes down that way. Wow. That's cool. So the trail goes down that way. Got steps. Okay, we made it. Took us about 45 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. We're walking slow because Mama don't want to roll her ankle. Then I'll be out of commission. But it's gorgeous back in here. I'll show you around. It was kind of a moderate hike, wouldn't you say? Moderately challenging, yeah. I think. I'm mostly out of shape and I did it. I'm not looking forward to the way back, but that's okay. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Look at that. It's so cool. So we're kind of back in the valley. Back here. You can see why it's called Park Avenue, because of all of the big, they're like skyscrapers, kind of, that jut out. And Dray said that thing is called the what? The Three Gossips. Three Gossips. And look, there's an arch, kind of hole, forming right there. Can you see it? Sorry about my finger. But there we go. Okay, that hike was a little bit of a challenge, but I made it. My face is red. Took us about an hour and a half. It said on the map thing it's about a 60 minutes, but we stopped a lot to rest. I mean, you got to stop and take in the scenery, right? Anyway, it's like 9:30, so we're just gonna like chill. We got a lot of park to cover today, so I'm gonna show you some of the drive, and then we'll go when we get to like the actual arches part. We'll see. Arch there all the way over, like baby arch. Do. That would be cool. That would have been cool.
Yeah,
if there had been an arch there all the way across.
it definitely looks like.
Yeah. Some arches out there. Look at that. Can you imagine when that thing decides to like not be up there anymore? That's cool. You can see way out in the distance, just that way, there's an arch. So we're gonna drive out that way. That's a pretty cool landscape there. All right, 30 to 60 minutes. We've got loud kids. So, Windows Trail. Okay, cool. Ready? This trail's a little easier. Thank God for that. Look at how cool that is. The people look so tiny up there. Teeny tiny.
It tells you how small we really are.
Yeah. Natural stone arches hold special meanings in Zuni language. Ayu Chitin, very powerful and unusual, resemble shrines or altars. That's cool. Perhaps you will sense a deep connection here too while you stand in your space held sacred by so many. That's cool. What's this one called? Turret. Birch. That's so cool. Like, how are they made? Does the water just go through the middle? Look at how teeny tiny Dray looks going up there. I'm gonna let him do that. Rock right there. See, it's just like it's stuck in there for now. One of these days it might decide not to be there anymore. I wouldn't want to be underneath it when it does. That one looks slightly phallic. Or is it just your imagination? Making a bottomless pit. Massive double arch probably started as 2 tiny puddles. Oh, wow. But how did it go from flat to upright? How did that happen? I don't know. Sand and pebbles carried by floodwater swirled within the pothole of the bluff. Alcove expanded as the pothole grew bigger. Oh, okay. Same process happened on the back side of the bluff. Okay, that's cool. I betcha. This looks like a drum circle. Bob, can you tell me? Is this a drum circle? That's what it looks like. Whew.
Just flash a yes on the bottom.
Yes, yes or no. So Dray's going up there. He's gonna walk up there. And I'm gonna sit here. It's really, really nice. So there's a rock formation over here called the Parade of Elephants, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. It totally does look like an elephant, which is super cool. It's just amazing how you can see these things and they're just here all the time, and they've been here for years and years and years. I know that sounds really weird because, yeah, they're here all the time. But you forget how there's stuff around that's just so beautiful like this. You know, when you're in your everyday, like, work life and busy at work and work sucks and all of that kind of crap. It's so peaceful here. So if you ever have a chance, I highly recommend it. It's pretty darn cool. Okay, there's the elephant. See it? Right there. You know how when you're at Disney and you sit down for a little while and you get up and you can barely move because your legs are so tired? I got that going on. Alright, so we're at the Devil's Garden Trail. This one seems very popular because the parking lot is massive. Let's see. What does it say? 1.8 miles round trip. Landscape arch. Okay. Okay, here we are. This is called Delicate Arch, right?
Nope.
Nope, this is called Landscape Arch. So, you see this section right here that looks smooth underneath. That fell off, like in 1991. Like all of that section from here down to there fell off. And there were people like up there, nobody got hurt, but they heard like a kraken. It was the kraken. It looks a little bit like an elephant with a long trunk to me. Anyway, you can still see more of a crack like right there.
Yeah.
I wonder if eventually like that part's gonna break off someday too.
Yeah, it won't be long until this thing
It's gone, yeah, it's very thin. Look at those crazy people up there walking up that big rock.
Are we all crazy now?
I am not. Look at that guy on top. I'm not going up there. No, thank you. John, look. That's a snake. Look, that is a snake.
So you know what kind it is?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
The kind you want to stay away from.
But he's a little one.
Well, they don't bite twice.
Yeah, he's a baby one. Okay, Dray's gonna do an experiment. He's got 6 United States quarters with the Delicate Arch on them. It's like Utah quarters. That Delicate Arch right there on him. He's gonna see if he can open up the portal. So he's gonna see. If he disappears, I'm gonna crap my pants. So far he's still there. Nothing. So far nothing. No portal. See, can you see those people like way up there? Way up there. There's people underneath the arch and stuff. Sorry about my phone, or sorry about my hand. Oh. No portal. That's disappointing. No such luck, huh? Did you even get a vibration?
So,
minutes of calmness, I guess.
Oh, okay. Well, that's something at least.
I didn't spend too much time there. I just was like snapping a couple pictures
Yeah,
of it.
that's cool.
I just thought it'd be interesting.
It's a cool experiment.
Idea I came up with years ago.
Yeah. Hey, you never know, right?
No.
Could have made national news.
International news.
International. Man opens up portal at Arches National Park. Film at 11.
My lord.
Hello. I'm sitting in the car while Dray does a 3-mile hike. My legs are getting pretty tired and my left ankle is swelling. So I let Dray go do this last hike on his own. It says on the map it's a difficult hike. It's out to the Delicate Arch. I'll insert a picture right here so you know what Delicate Arch is. But we've had a really, really good day. It's been like perfect weather-wise. Day, not a cloud in the sky for 2 days, which is amazing. It's been, hottest I think is like 68, 70, something like that. So I am just chilling. It's a 3-mile hike out and back. So I could be sitting here for a couple hours, but that's okay. Reflecting on the trip, things like that. This place has really cool energy. It's been really, really good just to get out and be outside. I am not an athletic person, and it has been a little bit challenging for me at times. Some of the trails have been great. Others kind of make you realize I need to start moving a little bit more. That's the hourly update. It's about 3:15. Don't know what we're going to do for dinner tonight. There's not a whole lot open in Moab on Sunday nights, which is weird. I think there are at least 4 choices. Moab itself, the food is not like top notch. It's good enough when you're starving and you've hiked 8,000 miles in one day, but yeah, we'll see what we can find for dinner tonight. And then I will probably just wrap up for you guys once we get back to our tiny house. Our tiny house is very comfortable, by the way. Slept good, the bed's comfortable. Bathroom is just a tiny bit small, but you know, what do you expect? We had a good night's sleep last night, and it was very quiet, which is always good. So anyway, that's what's going on. Thought I would let you know. So yeah, it's been a good day so far. Okay guys, we're gonna close this vlog out here because it's the end of our day. Sun's going down, my battery's gonna run out, so we're gonna say goodbye for now. We're going home tomorrow. Thank you so much for following along with us. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, ding the notification bell, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, love you, bye.